And this is my bandsaw table. This is how I made it. It's a rail over there going inside this, and some stoppers on two sides, and this is it. Just put it this like so, and inside. And I have a guide. You can put it like this, use it as a fence, put some clamps on two sides, or you can resaw stuff. Use the 19 degrees, this part right here, and this is going off. And yeah, like this, like so. Put some clamps on the sides. Now you have perfect rail to resaw. I made it with a hardwood and 3/4 birch ply. And I made a groove here for the dust.